Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Flatbrookville, or 9 miles west of Newton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Newton, Montague, Hopatcong, Blairstown, Franklin, Hamburg, Ogdensburg, Sussex, Branchville, Andover, Flatbrookville, High Point, Lake Mohawk, Greenville, Millbrook, 5 Points, Pelletown, Crandon Lakes, and Haynesville. This includes Interstate 80 in New Jersey near mile marker 4. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.